Can you turn your Zelle money into magic with Apple Pay? Ever split a bill with friends and realize you forgot your wallet? Or maybe you need to send some quick cash to a family member who's short on groceries. In today's digital age, there are tons of ways to send and receive money on the fly. Two popular options are Zelle and Apple Pay. But can you use them together? Let's dive into the world of digital payments and see if Zelle and Apple Pay can become a dream team. Zelle, the money mover. Imagine Zelle as your digital bank messenger. It's a person-to-person, P2P, payment service that lets you send and receive money straight from your bank account to another person's bank account in the US. It's super convenient, especially for those moments when you need to settle up quickly. Think of it like a virtual handshake. Funds move directly between accounts, usually within minutes. Apple Pay, the contactless king. Apple Pay, on the other hand, isn't exactly about sending money directly to someone else. It's a mobile payment and digital wallet service that lets you use your Apple device, iPhone, iPad, Apple Watch, to pay for things in stores and online. Imagine tapping your phone instead of swiping your plastic card. Faster, easier, and with an extra layer of security thanks to Face ID or Touch ID. So, can Zelle and Apple Pay tango? Alright, here's the answer you've been waiting for. No, you can't directly transfer money from Zelle to someone's Apple Pay account. Zelle works by sending money to someone's bank account, and Apple Pay isn't a bank account itself. But wait, there's a workaround. Don't fret just yet. There's a clever way to bridge the gap. Here's how it works. Receive money with Zelle. Let's say a friend sends you some cash through Zelle. The money will land in your linked bank account. Transfer to your linked bank account in Apple Pay. Most banks allow you to transfer money between your accounts within the same bank's mobile app. So, you can move the funds you received via Zelle from your regular checking or savings account to the bank account linked to your Apple Pay. Voila! Now you have the money readily available in your Apple Pay wallet for contactless payments. Here are some extra things to keep in mind. Double-check your bank's transfer fees. While Zelle itself typically doesn't have fees, your bank might charge a small fee for transferring money between your accounts. Transfer times may vary. Zelle transfers are usually pretty quick, happening within minutes. Transferring funds between your own accounts within the same bank should also be fast, but it's always good to check your bank's policy. Apple Pay versus Zelle, picking the right tool. While the Zelle and Apple Pay combo can work in a pinch, it's important to remember they serve different purposes. Here's a quick breakdown to help you choose. Need to send money directly to someone else's bank account? Use Zelle. Want to make contactless payments at stores or online? Use Apple Pay, assuming you have an Apple device and your bank supports it. Zelle and Apple Pay, not quite besties, but helpful acquaintances. While they can't directly work together, Zelle and Apple Pay can be handy tools in their own right, depending on your needs. Remember, Zelle is for sending money to people, while Apple Pay focuses on making payments yourself. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.